In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ChatGPT with Twilio, enabling you to send and receive SMS messages smoothly. Whether you're handling customer inquiries or simply want to automate quick text responses, this guide will walk you through each step to get your chatbot up and running. To kick things off, let's get started by opening ChatGPT. Navigate to chat.openai.com in your web browser, log into your account, and once you're in, you should see the option to start a new chat. It's important to have a fresh workspace since this will be where you compose and troubleshoot integration queries. Next, think about what you specifically want to achieve with this integration. For example, your goal might be to connect ChatGPT with Twilio to facilitate SMS communication. Ideally, you'll want the chatbot to automatically respond to incoming text messages, provide concise and clear answers, and efficiently handle FAQs or basic customer requests. Having a clear objective from the get-go helps tailor the integration process to meet your specific needs. Once you've defined your goal, it's time to consult ChatGPT for detailed setup instructions. An example request could be, explain step-by-step how to create a Twilio account, purchase a Twilio phone number, set up the Twilio SMS API, and connect it to ChatGPT using Python or Node.js. You'll find that ChatGPT can offer comprehensive and sequential guidance here, which will form the backbone of your integration efforts. Now, you'll want to move on to generating a sample code. For instance, you might ask ChatGPT to craft a simple Python script that effectively connects Twilio SMS with ChatGPT. Imagine a scenario where, when someone sends the message, "Hello," ChatGPT responds with, "Hi, how can I help you today?" Ensure the script is easy to understand, even if you're new to coding, by including comments that explain each step of the script. It's crucial to test your chatbot to ensure it's functioning as expected. You can set up 3 test scenarios where users send messages such as, "What are your business hours? Can I track my order?" and a friendly "Thanks." This allows you to observe the chatbot's SMS-style replies and assess its performance in various contexts. Finally, the last piece of the puzzle is deployment and refinement. Host your completed script on a server of your choice, such as Heroku, AWS, or any cloud service that suits you. You'll need to link Twilio webhooks to your script to facilitate seamless communication. Once everything is linked, conduct a test SMS flow using your Twilio number to verify that messages are sent and received correctly. Make adjustments as needed to optimize the flow and quality of interactions. By the end of this video, you'll be well equipped to run an efficient SMS chatbot, leveraging the capabilities of ChatGPT and Twilio. Happy integrating!